Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Samsung off and removing the case and SIM tray. This prevents shorts. Once done, clear a flat workspace and lay a microfiber cloth down to protect glass. Next, use a small Phillips and plastic pry tool to loosen the back panel clips gently. You don't need brute force. Make sure to keep screws organized in order. If the screen shows lines already, this first opening step lets you inspect connectors safely before deeper fixes. You should disconnect the battery immediately. That eliminates risk while you manipulate the display flex. Once the battery is isolated, remove any EMI shields covering the display connector and inspect the flex for kinks or debris. Carefully lift the latch, reseat the cable, and close the latch flush. A loose connector often causes vertical or horizontal lines. If you see corrosion or bent pins, clean with isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush. Then dry and retest before reassembly. You now reconnect the battery and power the phone on to check if the lines disappeared. This quick test confirms a successful receipt. If the display is clear, power down and reapply adhesive strips before reassembling in reverse order, tightening screws just until snug. Once reassembled, run a screen test or safe mode to rule out software. If lines persist after reseating and software checks, you likely need a new display assembly. Contact a certified repair service. One troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.